The genetic blueprint of giant squids. Solving the real Kraken mystery for centuries, sailors spoke of a monster rising from the deep. Tentacles longer than masts. Eyes the size of shields. A creature powerful enough to drag ships into darkness. They called it the Kraken. History called it myth. But today, we're not chasing legends. We're decoding DNA. Because hidden inside the genome of the giant squid lies the biological blueprint of the real Kraken. And the truth is more extraordinary than folklore ever imagined. Early maritime accounts described massive tentacled beasts attacking vessels in the North Atlantic. For centuries, these stories were dismissed as exaggerations, fear amplified by fog and storm. Then science confirmed something crucial: the giant squid exists. Known formally as Architeuthis dukes, it is one of the largest invertebrates on Earth. Individuals can reach lengths over 40 feet. They possess enormous eyes, among the largest in the animal kingdom. But size alone doesn't explain the myth. The real mystery lies deeper, in its genetic code. By 2026, deep-sea genomic sequencing advanced enough to map the full genome of Architeuthis. Roughly 2.7 billion base pairs. Comparable in size to the human genome. Inside that molecular sequence, scientists searched for answers. How does a soft-bodied mollusk grow so massive? How does it survive crushing pressure? How does it evolve into an apex predator in total darkness? The answers reveal evolutionary engineering at its most extreme. One of the most surprising discoveries involves growth regulation genes. Giant squids grow at extraordinary rates. Protein coding sequences linked to cellular expansion and tissue regeneration are amplified. Unlike vertebrates, squids rely on hydrostatic skeletons, fluid-supported muscle systems instead of rigid bone. Genomic markers show enhanced muscle fiber density and accelerated metabolic pathways. This allows rapid growth, extreme flexibility, powerful tentacle contraction. The Kraken legend may have emerged from witnessing a creature capable of explosive movement from the deep. The deep sea is brutal. Temperatures hover near freezing. Pressure exceeds 400 atmospheres. Yet Architeuthis thrives there. Genetic analysis reveals specific protein adaptations that stabilize cell membranes under extreme pressure. Enzymes are modified to function efficiently in low temperatures. Oxygen-binding proteins are optimized for sparse availability. This isn't mythological resilience. It's molecular precision. A blueprint designed by millions of years of natural selection. The genome also highlights neural complexity. Giant squids possess large nervous systems compared to other invertebrates. Genes related to axon development and neural signaling are highly expressed. This suggests rapid reflexes and advanced sensory processing. Their massive eyes, up to 10 inches across, are adapted for detecting faint bioluminescent flashes. In total darkness, light is information. A predator that sees first, strikes first. When sailors described tentacles emerging without warning, they weren't imagining monsters. They were encountering biological efficiency. To an 18th century crew, a 40-foot squid attacking nets or entangling rigging would seem impossible. No bones. No roar. Just silent force. Flexible limbs wrapping and pulling. The ocean itself erupting. Without genetic knowledge, it felt supernatural. But today, we can trace every adaptation back to code. Every terrifying feature is written in DNA. The Kraken was never a fire-breathing beast. It was a biological masterpiece. An evolutionary solution to life in the abyss. By mapping its genome, we bridge the gap between sailor lore and molecular reality. The monster wasn't magic. It was misunderstood biology. And perhaps that's even more fascinating. The deep ocean still hides secrets. But one mystery is clearer than ever. The giant squid, Architeuthis dukes, is not a myth. It is proof that evolution can engineer creatures so extreme, so alien, that they feel legendary. The Kraken wasn't born from imagination. It was born from DNA. And somewhere in the dark ocean right now, that genetic blueprint is still swimming. Please like and subscribe and follow for more.